Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily add that sunshine effect like you are sitting next to window to your photo using Lensa app. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin and first open up Lensa app. On Lensa, first off hit at plus sign that brings you photos from your camera roll, and right here you can scroll down and find a photo that you want to improve, then just check mark it and then hit on add to move on to the editor. Right here, after a couple of seconds, you are able to select one of these four magic retouch features. I strongly recommend you to use magic retouch on each of your photos before you start editing them, cause let's see what happened. It adds a lot of different filters to your photo. You can hit at reset to see the original photo, and then you can apply any of that filters to improve the photo quality. Look how amazing photo looks right now. So once you did that, let's move on to the next step. Right here at this bottom toolbar, you can easily find that effects icon. Just get into effects, and then you can drag it left or right, and from here you can select any effect that you want. And in that tutorial we are looking for golden hour effect. Just tap on that, and that's the amazing result of that effect. I really like it. And right here, just under the effects bar, you got 4 different presets for that effect. You can switch between them in that way. I really like the first one, and then you can scroll down for a bit, and there are 2 more options to customize that effect. The first is color. You can drag it left or right to change the light warmth in that way. That is colder, that is warmer. And also you can change texture transparency in that way. By default it's set to 100, but you can reduce it if you want. Once you did that, just hit on save button to save this photo to camera roll. Then you can hop out Lensa, open up photos, and at recents right here you can easily find the photo that we have just created. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and if you want to see more Lensa tutorials, just check Lensa tutorials playlist in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and I see you in the next one.